take two. Welcome back to Darth and his Dal, everyone. So today's recording was originally going to be taming a Harpagornis, but I forgot to hit record, and I was talking to myself for 2 hours, and it's good though because it was a frustrating 2 hours. I accidentally killed two of them, and then one destroyed my trap, and then there's this one, level 110, came out level 130. I lost one of my RGs. So it's okay, because I was supposed to lose one of my RGs. What was not supposed to happen was I was not supposed to bring my Saber-Tooth King out, and that's what I had to do to get this guy. He's very fast when he's chasing you. He's very slow when he's tamed. It's a little bit annoying. But the goal for today is I don't want to do this with cryopods. I had to make one to keep on hand in case taming. But I don't want to keep doing that. What is this thing? First of all, what does this thing hit for? What is that? Is that an RG or a Harpagornis? A level 1 to... Oh, that's... I thought I killed it. That's the one that got away. It hits for 400. Okay. Come back. So I killed one, not two. This one got away. I didn't know it. Wow, these things are so slow. Look at it go. What? How did... Okay, I'm flying away now. We're done. We're done with this. It just hit me for 1,000. Oh, this thing is almost out of stamina. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Just... Alright, it's officially gone. And I'm officially out of stamina. No. Alright, that's fine. Heal up. So the point of today is I want to see if this thing can pick up larger animals like... Oh, look, a Therizino. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, 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 no. No. Not while I'm not at full stamina where I'm doing that. Really? You can't land up here? Why can't you land up here? I'm hitting space. Space. You gotta be kidding me. Where are you going? I feel like this is going to be a problem. I feel like I'm not going to like this Harpagornis. I feel like I'm going to sacrifice it to the art gods via Giga. It's big and clunky. The whole point of it is to try and see if we can lift up a Megatherium with it. Because if we can build a trap back at base, drag the Megatheriums back to base, and tame them back at base. Now, let's see. What do I want to unlock? Oh, they have obsidian. I might build a base out of obsidian. What does it call for? Oh, that's expensive. Maybe not. Alright, this thing is now full on stamina. I've got to level this thing up somehow. It only hits for 400 right now. The question is, can it pick up... That's a Saber-Tooth King. And the answer is no, I can't pick that up. What about a Triceratops? Yes, it can pick up a Triceratops. Let's do it again. Can it pick up a Calicotherium? Yes, it can. So in theory, it should be able to pick up a Megatherium. I need stamina and melee in this thing. What's its health? 13,000? Yeah, I'm not really going to be sacrificing it to anything, so, I mean, there's no reason to pump health into it. The Redwoods is over here. Alright, so let's go see if there's any in the Redwoods. I'll see if I can pick one up. Obviously, depending on the level. I'm calling this thing the Hindenburg. Wait a minute, can I pick up Rexus? Alright, what did I get? Oh my goodness, I got nothing. Okay. How many levels did I get? 7. Alright, so we'll do... Yeah, you better go away. Hmm. I'll take that. I'll take those. I won't take anything else. I don't need... Oh, wait. The food. The food is mine. Alright, let's see here. Now, obviously 1,000 stamina is not enough. It is enough with a normal large Davis. Are those Ravagers? Do I have enough stamina? Pick one up. Let's see. Did I pick one up? Yes, I did. Yay. Alright, come down for a landing right here. Now I've got 8. So 4 into stamina, 4 into melee. Perfect. That's just an apprentice saddle. That's a cargo saddle. I don't think I have any more saddles. I've got a primitive one back at base, but I don't need it. Alright, let's go. So here's what my plan is for the next couple recordings. So today was supposed to be taming this, and then I tamed it and realized I wasn't recording, so I said fuck it, and I'm just using this to tame up Megatheriums. If I can tame up 2 Megatheriums today, if I can find 2 decent ones, because I will be breeding them, because I do want to test to see if I can fight the Broodmother. Just a test. If I can't do it, I'll sacrifice the Megatheriums to, like, Arachnus or something. But if I can, then fighting all the bosses, including Arachnus and Chalice, are going to be on my list of things to do. After taming the Megatheriums, because I'm not going to rush through everything and go straight into the boss fights, I'm going to go underwater. I'm going to use one of the Baryonyxes that I have. We're going to go under the sea to try to tame up a Megalodon. And that's going to be next time. if today is successful. Hmm. How come I hit that for 1,000? But other things I hit for 400. I wonder. Yeah, how come I hit Cardinals for 1,000? Yeah, I'll take those. Alright, let's see. Although if I can't find a Megatherium, I do know of a level 400 Arctic Thylacoleo that I can tame. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1. 2. Oh. Wait. What level are you? Come back. 192? Yeah, please. Oh my goodness. Hi, sweetheart. You're just a little baby. Don't worry, we'll get you home. I need to fly this thing out of here. Why is this thing so slow? Oh boy. I'm hot as hell. I can hear it. I literally hear it. It's like, it sounds exactly like a friggin' helicopter. Is that a male or a female? Oh, it's a female, but it's only a level 20. It's got, wow, 1,200 health. That's it. Okay, heal up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what that does. I'll take the ammo. Just a couple hits. Just a couple love taps. See? That's all that was. And I got nothing. Alright, let me get the aloe back to base. Oh, there's another one. 6,400. That's level 280. Still too low. I've seen like level 300s. That's still too low. And I want an Arctic one. Hmm. Get it to... Oh, well, it's not just a 2,000 yet. Fiber. Oh, I can get fiber. I need 8 fiber. I don't know why I had a sickle. But, let's do it. Put the fiber in there. I can't repair that. I can repair that in here. Hold on. Repair. Repair. I can't repair anything else. Perfect. Excuse me. At least my shoes are repaired now. Let's get you back to base, little guy. Alright, see you guys back at... Oh, man. Are you white? No. But you... Okay, you will give a pheromone. I need that pheromone. Come here, you. You're level 50, so you'll be easy to take out. Really? You gotta go and take on a Bronto? What's your problem? Oh. I thought they only dropped pheromone parts. That's cool. Alright, I need to get a good look at this guy, because if it is a certain color, I'm gonna kill it. It looks more pink. Okay, I'll keep it. Real men wear pink. Alright, gotta go hunt Megatheriums. Be right back. Well, damn it. It looks like I gotta go get a Thylacoleo instead. He said not that too upset. I'll find Megatheriums. I might find a Megatherium in the Arctic. We shall see. Okay, guys, see you there. Fuck. Ooh, hold on. What level is this one over here? Male 400? So is that one, but this one's not attacking anything, nor is it in danger. Okay, let's go. Yoink. Alright. Oh, where am I going to build its taming pen? I don't want to build the taming pen at base, but this is not a safe spot to do so. And I'm almost out of stamina. Son bitch. I did it wrong. Did I drop it? I did. Okay, that's cool. Give me a minute to build this up. Does this thing not aggro on a Harpagornis? That makes this so much easier. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see if this works now. Come on. Yoink, yoink, yoink. Are you kidding? Really? Why? There we go. Yoink. And kerplop. Right in the trap, please. Thank you. Fuck yeah. We're gonna get a fucking Thylacoleo. Oh no. 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 Let me kill these motherfuckers first. Get out of here. Thanks. Alright, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Can I shoot off of this thing? No way! What? I'm not shooting off of this thing for this tame because it's in a trap and it's easy. But that's good to know. I can shoot off of this thing too. Alright. Hi. For some reason, I think that's a 2,500. Or is it down? What? Fuck yes. My goodness. I don't know what it eats. Do I have mutton? I know what I have. It's gonna either eat this or 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 this. It looks kind of cute when it's half dead and sleeping. All right, what was the health left on this thing? 258, so it was not 2,518. Damn. 258. Wow. I'm leaving the trap up, ladies and gents. Alright, there's gotta be another saber-tooth king somewhere out there. Found it. Oh no, 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 no. I cannot. Cannot be here. Cannot be here. Cannot be here. Oh man. Hi. Hi. You're only level 100. Please go up. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah, shit. 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 Run. Run. Oh my goodness. Come around the other side. Let's do it. Where are you? Oh shit. Hello. What now? Did you get all the goodies? Land, please. There we go. Let's see. You did get all the goodies. I'll take the kibble, the pants, the meat. Alright. Oh, you have 12 levels. Perfect. I'm going to level you up over it. Really? 8.7. What is it eating that makes it that slow? I need to make another cryopod. What are you eating that makes you suck so much? Oh, it ate the prime meat, didn't it? It ate the grizzly meat. Thank you for protecting me, baby. We're gonna come back when this thing is tamed. Wow, starting hits for 19. I like that. Or not 19, 800. Alright, I don't need the rest of these walls. Fuck it. Let's get this guy back to base, because we're not getting a Megatherium tonight, and I have a report to write, a pre-report to write, and get ready for work tomorrow. And I need to figure out how far I need to drive, so I need to figure out what time I need to leave. So I will let you know when I get back to base. Good God, this is way too big to put on my deck. Oh man, where am I going to put it? Okay, whatever, it's going in here. Oh my God, this thing is huge. It can't even fit in here. Where the hell am I going to put it? I'm going to have to make a pad for this thing to land on. For now, we'll put it here. Till I decide to kill it off. I really only need it for Megatheriums. Come here, buddy. Alright, hold on. Let me get you a saddle. I don't think I have a saddle for an Arctic Thylacoleo. Put that one in there. Put that one in there. Put that one in there. Thylacoleo. Let's type in thigh. No. So then let's go here and we'll go to Thylacoleo sat. Oh, okay. Well, whatever. I'm gonna build it because no particular reason. Give me. You only gave me 19 levels. You don't deserve the kibble. Really? There we go. Alright, cool. Let's go and make some shit. Oh, is this thing still going? Oh my goodness. I mean, while we're at it, whatever. Saddle. I need 290 hide and 20 metal ingots. So... Wow, okay. Saddle. I'm gonna laugh. No, I'm gonna be pissed if I just made a saddle and it don't friggin' fit. Oh my goodness. That is gonna be the most annoying thing in the world. Oh no. Oh. Really? Really? Oh. Do I have a blueprint? No. Fuck. I just wasted materials and engram points. Fuck. Whatever. Can't do much about it now. Except go kill more Thylacoleos with my saber tooth. Which I will do off cam because I kind of want to watch a movie, get the saddle or blueprint to make a saddle. Then I can make a saddle. And write my report and I'll do that stuff while I'm watching movies. So I'm going to turn on Disney Plus now. And next time, we're not doing Megatheriums because I can't find Megatheriums. You know what? Just to save you guys the hassle, I will tame Megatheriums offline because everyone knows how to tame Megatheriums. I will tame them offline. Next time, we're going under the sea. Alright, peace out, Cub Scouts. I'll see you on the other side. Hopefully when I have an Arctic Thylacoleo saddle and I can compare the two for damage for this. Peace out.